Hi, everybody here. We are back and continuing on with this MEP project or exercise. So now what we're going to do, we're going to look at how you would manipulate or change elevations or everything. I know when we looked at this before, I was kind of a mess. So I've got a call out view, but let's just drop a section through this view here. See what we're working with here. For now, anyway. Let's just see what's happening here. I think we had some stuff going on all out of place and everything, so I'm gonna just open this view, just double click here. Okay, so see, these should be lower, and then to do our second level, these should be at another elevation. So basically what happens here is this, simple. When we did this initially, we didn't do the correct elevations. So I'm going to bring it in this view here. This is our level 1 or the basement. Here is our second level. So now, so if you want to manipulate or change things or whatever, or modifying, you can always select these elements and you can move them around. And then here you can go into your properties and you can change things like so here we have, this is center of justification, middle reference, okay. Now here we have the elevation that's 9 feet. So it's probably got to come down or up or whatever. And then the bottom elevation. And then here we have the width and the height of the actual piece. So let's say, for instance, let's drop this down to, say, is that 22? Let's make it 12. It's probably more realistic for that. And the height, let's make it also, let's make it 16. We'll apply, and that's how you would change that. So you can do all these pieces that way, or you can just go, select it. Well, I like to do this, if I can here, I would just go modify, match, okay, so I guess I can't do that way, so I can always go into my properties and change the actual dimensions. And then you have all your different sizes and shapes for ductwork here. So that's how you will modify that now, then, and then if we look at this section here, as far as elevation, so let's open this. So here, you see that would be in the floor. So these are too high. These should go all the way down. So what happens here, how you would fix that is just basically select everything here. I'm not sure what the elevation would be, but you guys get it, I'm sure. I'm going to go through all these and do these, but you know, you get where I'm coming from here. That's how you would do that. And then again here, we will change this one to, say, just the size. we're going 12 by 16, I think, or whatever. But anyway, I just wanted to show you just how you would modify these. And then again here, for instance, let's do one for elevation. So for this, I'm going to set this elevation at, let's do something really drastic just so you can see what's going on here. Let's say 6. You might want to even do it. Okay, it did it. So that's what happens there. So you can adjust these elevations and things of that nature, and we'll fix that later on. But hey guys, I just wanted to show you how you will modify your HVAC ductwork here. It's just like anything else in the system families in Revit. So, and I'm gonna make this in fine. Yeah. So this will come down as well. So yeah, you need to have your views lined up so that you can go in and basically make changes. So all this was basically should have been on this here between the joists, you know. And it's just a matter of going and changing that. But I'm not going to do that. You know how to do that. You can go in and just change the properties and everything. And over here in the you know, in the project browser, properties here. So thanks for watching. We'll continue on. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this, and everybody be safe. Bye.